We're very, very excited, very, very encouraged, and excited about not just his visit here, but what it means for the Caribbean and what it means for boxing in general, that it's now been official that it's going to be in the 2028 Olympics, as the fact of the matter that boxing is one of the oldest disciplines that have been a part of the Olympic Games. So Boris, being the president, has galvanized a lot of the countries to form the International Federation that's recognized by the IOC, and making one of his first visits since then to the Caribbean is huge for us. So it's historical in many areas, but we're very, very excited and happy about what's to come.
Well, the Jamaica Olympic Association has always indicated to our members that one of our strategic goals is to transform Jamaica into a mecca not only of sport in performance, but also for IF presidents to be paying visits and looking at our administration and our operation. So this is part of the outgrowth of our foreign policy to ensure that international presidents come here, are acquainted with our infrastructure sport, and then we can have a dialogue that will be beneficial to the Olympic movement.
For me, it's a great pleasure to be here in Jamaica. Thank you, first of all, for the warm welcome. And the president of the Jamaican Boxing Federation, Mr. Bomber, is a great friend of mine. He's a true supporter from the beginning for world boxing. And Jamaica is one of the pillars of world boxing, and they were part of the inaugural Congress in 2023. And afterwards, the Jamaican Boxing Federation was also one of the leaders from the Caribbean region, and together we hope to develop the boxing region.
We have had some world champions here in Jamaica, and they're well celebrated. We expect that from this new organization we can develop some new world champions.
I expect that too, and that's also why I'm here to discuss the collaboration and how we can move forward. And after the recognition and re-inclusion for boxing in the LA program, I think that offers great opportunities for Jamaican boxing.